মার্কারটা সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, সবাই ভালো আছি তাই তো? জি, আমিও ভালো আছি। আমি মোহাম্মদ আবু সেলিম, প্রধান শিক্ষক, হারুদ্দার সরকারি প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়। আজ আমি তোমাদের সাথে মজার খেলা খেলব। কি সবাই প্রস্তুত আমার সাথে খেলার জন্যে? ওকে, ধন্যবাদ। আমরা প্রথমে একটা অভিনয় দেখি, সবাই একটু দেখার চেষ্টা করি, তারপরে আমার সাথে সাথে অভিনয়টি করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে সবাই? ওকে, সবাই আমার দিকে দেখো। প্রথমে আমি হাতটা কীভাবে রাখছি। ওকে, রেডি? চেক চেক করে, দেখছো সবাই? এবার এখানে আসো। চেক করে রিচা। এবার এখানে আসো। রিচা সামাংসা। এবার এখানে আসো। সামাং সামাংসা। তারপরে অবাধ্য হেরে আসো। ও ম্যান চেক। কি সবাই বুঝতে পারছো? খুব মজা হবে। তাহলে এবার সবাই আমার সাথে, সবাই রেডি? সবাই একটু উঠে দাঁড়াও। দাঁড়িয়েছো? ওকে, আমার সাথে হাত দাও। ওকে, রেডি? চেক চেক করে, চেক করে রিচা। রিচা সামাংচা। সামাং সামাংচা। ও ম্যান চেক। ওকে, ধন্যবাদ। এখন আমরা আজকে তোমাদের পঞ্চম শ্রেণীর 32 পৃষ্ঠা থেকে ফাইন্ডিং পার্টস অফ দ্য লেটার এইটা পড়ব। ফাইন্ডিং পার্টস অফ দ্য লেটার এইটা আমরা পড়ব। আমরা সর্বশেষ আমাদের বন্ধের আগে আমরা সিমাস লেটার সম্পর্কে পড়েছিলাম। আজকে আমরা ফাইন্ডিং পার্টস এটা সম্পর্কে দেখব। So now I have the poster paper for you so that you can read out and follow me. So here is the letter for you. So follow the board. What the letter has. You see 102 Khadimnagar, Kotuali, Sylhet, Bangladesh, 12th March 2016. Dear Jessica, How are you? How was your trip back to London? I am at home today. I have the flu. It's awful. I'm coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I'm using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. Okay. It's awful. I am coughing a lot and I have a runny nose. I am using a lot of tissues. I also have a bad headache. I can't eat very much because I have a stomach ache. But my doctor says I should eat. I also have a fever. Sometimes I am very warm. Then I get cold and have chills. It's very strange. I want to go to school again soon. My friends can't visit me here because they can get ill easily. I hope you are fine. Write to me soon, your friend Shima. So, as we read it before our closing of the school, so now, have you got it? Okay. Now, follow the letter and think what important parts you can see in the letter and what are the important issues here. Just think for a while. What are the important parts of this letter and what are the important issues you see here? Okay, thank you. So today we are going to read the parts of the letter. In class 2 you read parts of the body and today we are going to know parts of a letter. Okay, so if you think, then follow the poster. You see here is a part, here is another part, then there is a long part here and this is another part and finally this is the last part. So these all are the parts. Now we will see the parts. Okay, we will see the parts, what the letter contain. Okay, the first one, you see the first one is heading. And now what is heading? What is heading? We have to know what is heading. Okay, now I am giving the definition of heading. This is the definition of heading. You generally see heading in the right top corner of your letter. You see in heading you have two things. Number one, sender's address. Number two, date of writing. Whenever you use mobile phone, you want to write a text to your friend. So you are the sender because you are writing and you want to send a message to your friend. So you are the sender and the person whom you send your message is the receiver. So in heading we have two things. What are they? Sender's address and date of writing. Okay, thank you. Now the second part is greeting. And what is greeting? Greeting is by the name we call a person. Suppose we say, dear Jessica, my dear Jessica. This is the greeting. By the name we call a person. This is greeting. And we generally write greeting on the second part of the letter. And now the third one is body. The most important part, because we want to write something for our friends or anybody to convey the messages. So this is the most important part of the letter. So what is body? Description of the sender. What the sender wants to describe. This is the most important part of the letter. Okay? Okay, thank you. Now, the next part is closing part. Everything has its end. So, if you want to take a leave, if you want to close your writing of the letter, so you must have to come to the close. So, closing means take a leave or close your letter writing. Okay? And the last part. And the last part. The last part is signature. Last part is signature. What is signature? The person who writes the letter is the sender. So when sender writes his or her name at the last of the letter, this is called signature. So name of the sender. So dear students, have you got the points? Okay. So a letter has 5 parts. The first one is heading, the second one is greeting, the third one is the most important part, that is the body, the fourth one is closing, and the last one is signature. Okay, thank you very much. Now, dear students, follow another letter which I have made for you. Which I have made for you. So, another letter, the part of the letter for you, you see the letter which I have made for you. Medical College Road, Bakal, Satkira, 18th March 2020. If you have book in your hand, then try to compare the heading of your letter on your book and this heading. There you saw another part, but here you see Medical College Road, Bakal, Satkira, 18th March 2020. So you see there is 2 things here, that is the address of the writer or address of the sender and the date of writing. And the date of writing in that letter you see that was 2016, but this is 2020 because now we are writing this letter. Okay. Now you see another part. Another part you see dear Anushka, and in that letter you saw dear Jessica. Okay, so as because the letter is different letter. Okay, so this is dear Anushka, and that is greeting. Okay, thank you. Now the next part. How are you? I am not well. I am at home today. I have a bad headache. I have also dash. I am very warm. No more today. Write to me soon. Can you get it? This is the body. Okay? The most important part of your letter. Then we want to take the leave. So, as because we have to close our letter writing, so we are going to close our letter. So, you see, your friend. This is closing of your letter. And then the last part, the sender signature, Shimul. In your book you saw that is Shima, but here the sender is Shimul. So we try to make a comparison between our Shima's letter and Shimul's letter. I hope now you are ready to complete writing a paragraph. Okay. Now we are going to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Okay. So in your book you have already read Shima's letter. You have already read Shima's letter. And now give me the answer of some questions. Number 1. Why is Shima using a lot of tissues? Why is Shima using a lot of tissues? Think about yourself. Why is Shima using a lot of tissues? Okay, complete? Yes, Shima is using a lot of tissues because Shima has a runny nose. So you have a runny nose, you have to use the tissues, okay? Okay, thank you. Now, the next question. Why Shima can't eat much? Why Shima can't eat much? So think about yourself. Why Shima can't eat much? Okay, thank you very much. Shima can't eat much because she has a stomach ache. If you have a stomach ache, then can you eat? Okay, so as Shima has a stomach ache, Shima can't eat much. Then the third question I want to ask you. Shima feels warm. So what does the disease Shima have? Can you guess? Shima feels warm. What disease does Shima have? Think about yourself. Completed? Nice. Shima has a fever. Shima has a fever. Thank you very much. Now, I am going to play a game with you. Are you ready to play the game? Okay, thank you. The name of the game is Yes No game. What's the name? Yes No. The system is I will show you 2 cards. If you think everything is okay, then you have to say yes. If you see no, something is wrong, then you have to say no. Ready? Okay. Thank you. Heading: sender's address, date of writing. If you think yes, heading is sender's address and date of writing, then you say yes. Got it? Okay. So now think about yourself. Oh yes, heading means sender's address and date of writing. Thank you. Now, You see these two cards. Closing Shimul. Is it okay? Shimul is closing. Is it okay? Okay, no. Shimul and closing, this is not okay. Thank you. Shimul is the signature, not closing. Okay, thank you. Now, you see this. Body. How are you? I am not well. Is it body? Think about yourself. Oh yes, thank you very much. It is body, the most important part of the letter. Okay, thank you. And now another card. Greeting, dear Anushka. Is it greeting? Think about yourself. Is it greeting? Okay, thank you. It is a greeting. And what is greeting? Greeting is by the name we call a person. We told you greeting is dear Jessica, my dear Anushka, like this. Okay? So thank you very much. Now we are going to play another game. We are going to play another game. Are you ready to play with me? Okay, thank you. So আমরা কি করতে যাচ্ছি? আমরা আরেকটা খেলা খেলতে যাচ্ছি। এই খেলাটার নাম হচ্ছে সাইলেন্ট মাউথিং। আমি আজকে তোমাদের যে জিনিসগুলি পড়ালাম তার ভিতর থেকে কিছু শব্দ বলবো, কিন্তু কোনো সাউন্ড করব না। তোমাদেরকে কিন্তু অ্যালার্ট থাকতে হবে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফলো মি, ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফলো মি অ্যান্ড ইউ হ্যাভ টু সে হোয়াট ওয়ার্ডস আই হ্যাভ uttered. If you can say, then you will get tick marks, but if you can say, you will get 0. So ready everybody? Tick marks and 0. So now the game starts. So follow me please. Got it? Okay, heading. Fine. So you get 1 marks, tick marks. Okay? Now, okay, fine. Closing. You also get another tick marks. Now, okay, thank you. You cannot get the answer. This is signature. This is signature. Okay, now. Okay, thank you. Body. So you get another tick marks. Now, okay, heading. So you get another tick marks. Okay, fine. So we have completed our letter reading. So now I hope you can make a letter. So I am going to conclude our text by saying, dear students, how many parts a letter has? How many parts? 5 parts. Yes, 5 parts. What are they? Heading, yes, greeting, body, closing, signature. Bah, beautiful. You did well. So, can you tell me what is the most important part of a letter? The most important part of a letter? Oh, body. Okay, thank you. In body, generally, the sender writes something, the messages. Okay? Thank you very much. Now, the next question. Where generally the sender's name will come? Where generally the sender's name will come? Option: at the top, at the lower part of the letter. At the top, at the lower part of the letter. Sender. Oh, no. You are wrong here. The person you saw in the text, Jessica, my dear Jessica. So who wrote the letter? Shima wrote the letter. So Shima the sender. So where did Shima come? Shima come at the border, at the lowest part of the letter. And Jessica, the receiver, will come first. So whenever you will write the letter, you have to think the sender will come at last and the receiver will come at first. Okay? Thank you. Now, you have a homework for our next class. So, ready? You will prepare a letter about your illness. You will prepare a letter about your illness. I hope you can do it because we already compare 2 different letters here. So you will prepare a letter about your illness and keep it with yourself, and when the school will open, you have to submit it. And our next class will be on next Wednesday. কখন শুরু হবে আমাদের ইংরেজি ক্লাস? পরবর্তী ইংরেজি ক্লাস পরবর্তী বুধবার, নেক্সট ওয়েডনেসডে। ওকে, সো থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি, থ্যাংক ইউ অল।